Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Wednesday, November 10th, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, we're having waffles and sausage. For lunch, we'll have spaghetti. Tomorrow for breakfast, we're having ham and cheese croissant. For lunch, we'll have pizza. Today's announcements. Please make sure you post your attendance. Copies. Please be mindful of your copier usage and use Print Shop as you plan in advance. Make sure you stop by Miss Horton's room and sign off after you've voted for the budget. Also, math chats are available on Tuesdays. See Miss Linscomb's Friday Focus for more information. Today's late duty is Miss Clark, and Friday is Miss Battaglia. The word of the day is product. Product is the answer to a multiplication problem. In this problem, 5 times 3 equals 15. The product, or the answer, is 15. Product. Important dates. Today, we have reading and math PLTs. Tomorrow, we have no school for Veterans Day. On Friday, we have a very exciting day. We have World Kindness Day and lots of great projects going on. Also, the budget surveys due. November 18th, we have our HMH representative visit. November 22nd through 26th, we have Thanksgiving break. And December 17th, we have the deadline for partnership conferences. We have a shout out to Miss Guidry's class. It was recognized by Miss Gibbs. Yesterday, Miss Guidry's class had excellent behavior and followed directions very well during our tech lesson. They did an awesome job, doing a good job coloring their fire trucks, and then they did a great job bringing their fire trucks to life. I was very proud of them. Another shout out to Miss Bertolino's class for completing the Makerspace Nearpod that Miss Smith sent out. In order for Makerspace to begin, all 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade classes need to complete the Nearpod. Please make sure you look for Miss Smith's email from Monday for more information if you haven't done that yet. So that's from Miss Smith. Way to go, Miss Bertolino's class. That's all for today's news. Have a wonderful Wednesday, Kate Shepherd.